Let's get her done.
Hey, Bear! Hey, Bear! Let's get to work. Oh, man.
We're going to make sure all the electrical AC connections are made. We're connecting the compressor clutch. We're connecting the AC recirculation bypass switch. Connect the compressor clutch cycling switch. Connect the high pressure cutoff switch mounted on the back of the compressor. If the serpentine belt is in the correct grooves, you can run your finger over the pulley and it'll feel smooth. There's a decal showing the belt routing under the hood. The belt tensioner has a square hole where you can insert a 3/8 ratchet. Use the ratchet to move the belt tensioner to give you slack to fit the belt on the idler pulley. I find it easiest to insert the belt last on the idler pulley since there's no grooves on it. Now check every pulley to make sure the belt is aligned correctly. Before starting the engine, now's a good time to check over all your connections, make sure everything is ready.